Hello. I'm John. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT. Step 1. Go to the browser. Step 2. Type a word ChatGPT login in search bar. Or, you can use the URL link which I have and provide in the description box. If you use the URL link you can directly reach a login page. If you not used a URL link, then you will see this page. Click the ChatGPT OpenAI. Step 3. Before use the ChatGPT we want to sign up, by providing your valid email and password. And the password must be at least 8 characters. Step 4. After sign up we want to verify our email. For that go to your email which you have used for ChatGPT sign up. After successfully verify your email, you will see this page. If not, just log in with same email and password which you haven't provided for sign up. I hope. Now you can see a chat box in the bottom. In the chat box you can search whatever you want. In case do you want new chat? Click new chat in the left side top. If you want to delete a particular conversation, click the particular chat, then you will find a delete symbol. Make sure after click the delete symbol you want to click the tick symbol, if not your chat will remain there. In case, if you want to delete all the conversations at the same time, don't worry. In the bottom left corner you will see an option like clear conversations right. Just click that. It will automatically delete all chat's conversations. If you think answer is enough for you while generating your answer, just click the stop generating above chat box. It will automatically stop in the middle. After some time if you need answers, just click regenerating option. It will start to provide answers where you left. In case if you think to continue in same chat, just click the particular chat conversation and start continue. If you want to edit a name of the chat conversation, just click the chat conversation. In there you will see the pencil symbol, just click and edit the name of your chat conversation. That's all about ChatGPT. If you think this video is helpful, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you not like this video please provide your valuable feedback in comment box. Thank you.